And here he is. All right. We are outside of the Hard Rock in Atlantic City. We are just about to check in. We are just about to check in at the Hard Rock. And here is the front lobby, the check-in area. It's about 12:30 or so, so hopefully our room will be ready. We'll have to see. We just got off the elevators of the Hard Rock. We are on the 38th floor, and this is the side window and the view. You can see my South Boston sweatshirt. It's beautiful. When you do get off the elevators, if you do stay at Hard Rock Hotel, this is the Hard Rock Casino Hotel in Atlantic City. As soon as you get into the main corridor, they have a sink. And this floor features Madonna. And here is our room. Very convenient to the elevator. We're 3819. Bathroom. Safe. Coffee area. Look at the view that we have from the ocean. And right below us is the Island Water Park. That's brand new. Tomorrow's supposed to be around 60, so I think we'll walk the beach, and hopefully it'll be full tide. So here's our room. A nice desk area if you have to work, or if you want to have something to eat. We are at the Hard Rock, and this is one of the suites.
Do you have an next door in a suite? Together. Look.
Oh.
This one. This one suite.
Oh, okay. This is beautiful. Look at the view. This is the boardwalk in the ocean. See all the different casinos and hotels. Nice sitting area. You want to have a quick snack. Another view. Look at that, you can see the reflection of the ocean in the building, the side of the building. Here's the bar area. And coffee. And a nice big bedroom. And a bathroom. Wow, look at this tub, huh? And a shower. And what's the name of this suite? What's the name of this suite?
Roxy.
This is the Roxy Suite. We are on the 38th floor.
And
I just got downstairs to the main level. And straight ahead is where we did check in. Hard Rock always has a lot of memorabilia around. Here we have Prince's guitar, Paul McCartney, the Beatles, sister, Elvis Presley's car, Joe Walsh from the Eagles, that's his car, Joe Walsh from the Eagles, that's his guitar. Then over here we have John Lennon of the Beatles. Michael Jackson's glove, Roy Orbison's glasses, beautiful Christmas tree. Here is Hard Rock Live. Have all their rules. Machines if you need to get a new card, swipe your card. The box office.